Here is a matching type question. Study the items in both columns carefully. Try to work out the matching before we solve it together. Let us begin solving this step by step. Step 1. Identify each reaction type. A vicinal diol, pinacol-type, 2, 3-dimethyl, 2, 3, butanediol, treated with acid, H+, and heat undergoes dehydration with a 1,2-methyl shift to give a ketone, pinacolone. This is the classic pinacol-pinacolone rearrangement. Matches P. B. A vicinal amino alcohol treated with nano-2-HCl undergoes diazotization of the amine, converting NH to N2+, followed by 1,2 shift analogous to the pinacol rearrangement. The diazonium-leaving group drives migration. This reaction is specifically called pinacolic diazotization or semipinacol via diazotization. Matches are C. A tetramethyl substituted epoxide, example, 2,2,3,3-tetramethyloxyran, treated with H+ heat, acid opens the epoxide to give a carbocation, which then undergoes a 1,2 shift, pinacol-type rearrangement. Because the starting material is an epoxide, not a diol, and the rearrangement proceeds in a pinacol fashion through ring opening, this is called the pinacol fashion reaction, epoxide opening leading to rearranged carbonyl. Matches S. D. A vicinal diol treated with TSCl to convert 1O into a tosylate leaving group, then at 3N heat, the tosylate leaves while the adjacent carbon migrates, 1,2 shift, forming a carbonyl compound. This is the semipinacol reaction. 1O is activated as a leaving group, distinguishing it from the classic pinacol which uses direct protonation. Matches Q. Step 2. Why other options fail? A. Cannot be Q because Q requires activation of 1O tosylation, not simple acid protonation. B. Cannot be Q or S because the nano-2-HCl specifically converts an amine to a diazonium, which is the defining feature of pinacolic diazotization. C. Cannot be P because P requires a diol starting material, not an epoxide. D. Cannot be P because the TSCl base conditions are characteristic of the semipinacol pathway, not simple acid-catalyzed dehydration. Therefore, the correct answer is A, P, B, R, C, S, D, Q. Therefore, the correct matching is A matches P, B matches R, C matches S, D matches Q.